Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to teach you how you can handle your liquefied petroleum gas cylinder, popularly known as cooking gas cylinder, to avoid rust or corrosion. Number 1. Where you keep the cylinder. Majority of cooking gas cylinders are made of metal. Whenever in contact with liquid, we corrode or rust. Therefore, don't keep cooking gas cylinder where water and other liquids can touch it, most especially the foot ring. Always find a way of keeping your cooking gas cylinder off ground to avoid liquid being trapped around it. This can cause corrosion or rust. Number 2. Clean and dry your cooking gas cylinder regularly. Always clean and dry your cooking gas cylinder immediately after each use, because most of the food particles or liquid droplets from the food contain salt, which easily react with metal cylinder. So always clean and dry your cooking gas cylinder to avoid rust. Number 3. Wrapping of cooking gas cylinder with paper or cloth material. Many people in the course of protecting their cooking gas cylinder wrap the cylinder with paper or cloth material, which then trap liquid around the cylinder. This also causes corrosion. If there is need to cover the body of your cooking gas cylinder, cover it with rubber net or leave it to be. Finally, number 4. Repainting. Cooking gas cylinder can be repainted when need be. This can only be done by professionals who are into cooking gas cylinders. As a professional, he or she will check the production date, the expiring date, the pit of rust, and check for leakage around the cylinder. I then strongly advise that only cylinder that has lost its paint should be repainted, not already rusted cylinder, to avoid the story that touches the heart. Stay safe, only do the do's and leave the don'ts. On my next video, I will teach you how to check cooking gas cylinder leakage. You are free to ask any question concerning cooking gas cylinder on this particular channel. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like or share this video. It is free. Thanks again for watching.